40 years since the Battleground School District had organized team sports available for middle school students. Dave Cressup, now the district's co-director of curriculum, instruction, and assessment, played sports as a student at Louisville Middle School.
I played middle school football. We actually had flag football in the 7th grade and then tackle football in the 8th grade. And then we had basketball in the winter, and then in the spring, we could compete in track.
The loss of middle school sports came after a double levy failure in the 1980s. In late 2019, the board of directors approved a plan to bring middle school sports back to the district.
The whole intent here at central office and the board was to provide opportunities for kids. Our middle school kids don't have those opportunities to participate like other districts around us, and they haven't for a long time.
Following a pandemic-related delay, the district plans to launch boys and girls basketball seasons this winter, with other sports like cross-country and soccer soon after. School sports are about more than just keeping kids active.
On game days, we would wear our game jerseys, and that was fun, and there was a lot of conversation about it. I think it helped with just the school spirit. It was a positive thing.
Being able to play with some of your best friends that you go to math class with, or you're sitting at the lunch table with, and you get to talk all these sports, I think that builds just even that much more community within the school.
Sports programs are largely supported by the local levy approved by voters.
Covers the cost of the coaches' salaries, it covers the officials' costs, it covers your game workers, it covers transportation.
Levy funding pays for 178 coaches and advisors at the high school level and would be necessary to hire approximately 109 more coaches for middle schools once fully launched. If a replacement levy on the November 2nd ballot fails to pass, the district would face budget cuts in excess of $28 million. That loss of funding would further delay the launch of middle school sports indefinitely.
If we were able to provide them with something, that hasn't been here in a very, very long time, would just be a huge step in the right direction for sports, for athletics, for just the population in this area. So it'd be very, very exciting.
For more information on the replacement levy, visit battlegroundps.org/levy and remember to vote on November 2nd.